Hi guys! Magkano nga ba ang nagastos namin on our 6 days and 5 nights trip in Hong Kong for 2 adults and 1 child? First is the transportation fee from province to Manila. So if taga-province ka din katulad namin, kailangan mo mag-alat ng budget for that. So from Isabela to Manila, Manila to Isabela, we spend 10,000 pesos for the gas and sa bayad sa driver. Next naman is the Philippine travel tax that you need to pay if you are traveling internationally. 1,620 each for adult and then 810 for the kids. So total of 4,050 pesos lahat ng binayaran namin. Next of course is the airfare. So we decided to book via Philippine Airlines and it cost us around 39,000 pesos for the 3 of us. That is 13,000 pesos each. May pagka-pricey siya ng konti compared to the other airline pero sobrang worth it naman yung 39,000 pesos na yun since wala kami naging delayed. May kasama na nga din pala siyang meals on board plus baggage allowance of 35 kilos each papunta at pabalik. Next is the accommodation. So we book here at the Kimberly Hotel located sa Tsim Sha Tsui area. So this cost us 7,700 pesos per night. That is a total of 38,500 for our whole stay. Let me know guys if you want a room tour. Gawa tayo ng separate video for that. Next naman of course yung mga activities na ginawa at pinuntahan namin dito sa Hong Kong. And lahat ng yon is binuko na in advance through the Klook application. First on the list is the Hong Kong Disneyland Resort and we got the 2 days ticket. Highly recommended guys na yung 2 days talaga yung kunin nyo kasi sobrang worth it niya. Next is the Ocean Park tickets. Wag na wag nyong kakalimutan ang Ocean Park lalo na if may mga kasama kayong kids. We also booked the Legoland Discovery Center here in Hong Kong na located sa K11 Musea. Nagbook na nga din pala ako ng Octopus card plus yung SIM card na merong data na pipikapin na lang sa arrival hall pagdating mo ng Hong Kong. So ang total niya guys is almost 30,000 pesos for all the activities na yan plus yung mga cards. Bumili nga din pala kami ng separate na Octopus card for Rihanna kasi walang available na for kids pag sa Klook ka bumili and then nag-reload pa kami ulit ng another $200 para sa lahat na yon ng transportation namin while in Hong Kong. Next naman ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, the food and groceries. So we allotted 30,000 pesos for 6 days. And guys, naubos namin yung 30,000 pesos na yun for 6 days kasi ang mamahal na talaga ng pagkain dito as in. Parang breakfast pa lang namin nasa 1,500 to 2K, ganyan. Iba pa yung lunch and dinner. Basta huwag nyo kalimutan mag-alat ng malaking budget pag sa food. For shopping and pasalubong naman, we spent around 25,000 pesos. And nakakainis kasi nagkataon na sarado yung ladies market nung nagpunta kami ng Mongko kaya medyo napamahal kami pagdating sa pasalubong. Next naman is the airport transfer from hotel to airport nung pauwi na kami kasi nga sobrang hassle ko magte-train or magbabas since marami kaming bagahe. So we took a taxi going to the airport and it cost us around 300 Hong Kong dollars. Last on the expenses naman are the extras na pang strollers, ganyan. And kapag may bata kang kasama kung ano-ano tinuturo, so mag-extra money ka talaga. And that's it guys. I hope wala akong nakalimutan. Yan na po lahat ng total ng expenses namin for our 6 days and 5 nights trip in Hong Kong. And so far, this is the most memorable and unforgettable trip of my life.